Then you have the DNB master solutions, which include the solved DNB papers. This time we've, made it very, very concise so that you know exactly what to write. I know all of us struggle, when we want to revise our theory papers, you just want to know the gist of it, that what is it really in a tabular format that you want to write. So we always recommend that, the papers you should write as pictorially, as a flow chart, systematically. So that's what we have tried and done here. So you can see that there are a lot of tables that you're going to find here, a lot of illustrations that you can draw. So that is what this is. It's essentially a summary and a concise review of the important topics. And you will see, once you've done the concepts book and now you come to the solved papers, it will be like a summary of the lectures that you've already seen in detail, right? So this is a very quick review right before the exam. And another thing we've done is, so now you can see all of the papers. For example, when we look at paper 1, 2, 3 and 4, all the recent papers have been clubbed together. So let's have a look at this paper 3. So I've actually given you all of the topics here. So basically, when you are revising, I want you to start by reading this. What this gives you, when you see these 10 topics through the years, it gives you a trend, So you can analyze what trend of topics is happening per paper. So each paper has a set of specific topics. So when you see from 2022 to 2025, what are the topics that are being asked, it also gives you an idea of what are the topics you want to focus on, so that when you are revising, in depth from the lectures and the notes, you focus on these topics. So this first page here of each paper, I feel, is the most important, right? Because that tells you what topics, you are lagging in and what you have to cover, right? So that is about the DNB papers.